So these were our two set clip-in volumizers that are usually clipped onto the sides of the hair, or we can use it in many ways. We can also clip them in the back of my head. Like whatever hairstyle that I'm choosing, I can use them accordingly. So if you want to increase side volume, these two-piece volumizers are the good option. So let me use this one. This is a classic piece, so this will go well with my size. So as you can see, this is increasing my side hair volume. My ends are not looking scanty now. So this type of transformation you can expect from these two-piece volumizers, and you can use them in the back side as well. If you already have good amount of hair but you still want to add some volume so that your hairstyle can look much better, so these two-piece volumizers are the good options for you. So it consists of two pieces which has two clips. The width is around 4 inches. Same descriptions applies on the seamless. So there is a little difference in seamless and classic that I'm gonna show you now. It is a bit bumpy from here because of the sewn weft. But this one is really thin. And if you are going to use this classic set, this will also give you a little bit of volume on your scalp. So you can choose whichever is best for you. And these pieces are made with 100% real human hair. You can also call it Remy Virgin Hair. You can opt for any hairstyle by using these side pieces, and it will really enhance your look and add some really good amount of volume in your hair. And the most important thing is that you can always recolor them. Like if you are getting a brown color in your hair, in your original hair, then you can also match these pieces with your hair color. And you don't need to wash it very frequently. You just have to wash it once you feel like it has a product buildup that becoming really sticky and it's not looking good, or the hair is tangling, then that is the right time to wash the hair. So let me show you how to take them off, because most of our customers are requesting this type of video. You just have to feel the clips and then press it, and really easy to take off. Same from this side, feel the clips. So in terms of volume, these two pieces are really gonna do magic for you. If you have any more questions, you want us to make any other video on any other topic, just suggest us in the comment box and we will definitely make a video on that too. And if you have any other question regarding the quality of the hair or the product, you can always ask us in our DM or just drop in a comment and I'll reply that.